I'm Cathy Keating. I am at this event today because we have an opportunity to take a concept that Oklahoma knows well of a community coming together in crisis and taking it to a community in need, who's not in crisis but who's in need, to bring all our service agencies to a fair on a special day, April 8th, a Rebuilding Together Day. Volunteers in the community going out to help rebuild or renovate homes in need of new roofs or new windows, etc., to make them a safer place for everybody to live.
We bring in about 1,500 to 2,000 volunteers to work that day. There's stuff going on. We've got people cooking. We've got all kinds of things happening. And people notice in the neighborhood the work that's going on. So what we want to do is we want to invite all the nonprofits, all of you here, and those who couldn't be here today, to simply come to Rebuilding Day and join us for an agency fair. What we want to do for our homeowners and for all the neighbors that we're working with is we want to say to them, hey, guess what? While we're working on your houses, we want you to go out to the Heronville Elementary School and go to the agency fair where you can learn about all the services that are available to you in our part of the community.
So that the community, which surrounds Heronville Elementary School, can know about the services that are available to them in our city.
Heronville is on the south side of Oklahoma City. We're on Southwest 29th Street on Blackwelder between Penn and Western. When the initiative came from Mike Edmondson that they were going to be rebuilding a community and they wanted to rebuild the Heronville community, I had to jump on it. Anytime that we can help our students, and if you're helping rebuild homes, even if it's a neighbor's home, you're helping them. I thought it'd be something very proactive and important to do for our kids.
This is bigger than us. The problems that our families face are bigger than Rebuilding Together can fix. But I do believe that when all of us gather, and all these nonprofits gather and get together, we can all work and we can change an entire neighborhood, which can lead to an entire community, state. Who knows what else?
Well, we had 55 attendees today representing different social service agencies, all the way from the Oklahoma Arts Institute to Catholic Charities, the Red Cross, Habitat for Humanity, Boys and Girls Club, to be a part of this discussion and hopefully to be a part of this fair to share with the public what their services are. Oftentimes it's the people who need us most who don't know about us.
So this is what you will get if you come to the agency fair. We, as Rebuilding Together, will provide for you a 10 by 10 tent, a 6-foot table, and 2 chairs. No cost to you other than your time and whatever you want to put on. We are going to be stronger together in these communities. And we've never really done it, but we could do the houses. If you all come and provide space for the agency fair and be a part of that, I think something special can happen.
When folks take ownership in their homes and their community, they take ownership of the school, and it works together. Our school, I hope, becomes the hub of the community. If there's a neighborhood organization that wants to meet, they can meet here. The door's open for them. I'm just tickled to death that we were able to host this today. It has been so good for the organization. It's been really good for Heronville to get the Heronville story out too.